Hello everyone, today we will unbox an anime figurine. This is the Shiro crown version. I got this for $10 from Savers. I don't know if it's brand new or been used, opened. I know these can be quite expensive if they are genuine, and I know there are fake ones that are cheaper, but still this one is cheapest. So I'm not an anime expert. I don't know much about anime, but I know that these figurines are collectible and they can be quite expensive. So this one, after googling, it's Shiro from No Game, No Life anime series, and this one is made in China. Here we have some Japanese writing, some English translation, the warnings, and Chinese. And so as I said, I don't know if this is a genuine or fake, so if any experts out there can tell me what they think. So let's unbox it. So this is the character. Wow, it's nice. I like the details. It's soft plastic, not too soft, but not hard as well. So yeah, this is the character. So I don't know if it's genuine or not. Can you tell? If you think this is a real, genuine product, or if it's a reproduction, please tell me in the comment. Let's see what else we have here. Base, by the look of it. Also, we have some Japanese writing here. Okay, so this is support for the hair. Yeah, so this is it. Not much else to show. I just need your opinion. I want you to tell me if this is genuine or fake. The print quality looks good. Maybe I will scan this so you will have a better look. And for now, this is the anime character. Thank you for watching.